What up, what up? I know it's been a while. I posted a video, but we're back with another short. It's gonna be a short video. I'm all sweating. I was installing that transmission, but left it aside for a minute so I can show you guys. Let's install some hood struts. Simple. The strut's actually 22 inches. The weight of the hood to pick it up, it's like 18 to 20 pounds. These are rated to 36, so I'm gonna give them a try. Hopefully they work. But super simple. They're gonna be available in the website. I have a mess going on here. Show you real quick. 10 millimeter. What is that? Ball joint. Amazon. I think they're like 10 bucks for 4. So we gotta remove fender bolt valve. This one right here. So there's one. So the middle one. I think there's another one over. So the middle one. And then the top of this actually prototype I did. You can see how it goes. Let's see if it focus. Yeah. This one, the bolt is made out of what material is that? Marine grade. Can't remember the actual name. I was making a master cylinder, clutch master cylinder parts out of marine grade. Had some extras, so did that. They're gonna be available in the website. I'll leave a link in the description box. Might be expensive for some of you. $55. $55. But let me show you real quick how it goes. So we'll remove this one. Like that. Place it with this one. I believe they're M6X1. I'll have that information in the website. Oh, I want to tell you that. Yeah. Was loose already. Last one. Well, just like that. And then there. This is the one I ordered. I believe they go like that just because it has a curve there for that, for this right here. I don't know, you guys tell me if they go the other way. I'm not left hand, so. Just like that. Let's see if I can. It's not gonna let me. I'll pause it real quick. Alright. Just like that. This clicks in there. See how it comes down. Fits flush. Super flush. See, I'll show you this. It's super dirty. But fits flush. Flush. Now the gap might look too big, but I think that's just the angle of it. See how it opens. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Well, that's halfway. Not too bad. I like it. That's not bad. Folds right there. Right there. Not bad. So it doesn't go all the way up fast. That's good. I'm holding it. That's it. Alright guys, that's it. I just wanted to make a quick little video for you guys on this new parts or brackets that are going to be on the website soon. So stay tuned and thank you all.